Hello guys, this is Muhammad. This is my first video of the year. We are trying today to solve um, the day two problem in the January daily coding challenge at Leetcode. So today's problem is saying it's titled detect capital, and uh, it simply asks you to return true if one of these conditions holds. Um, Even all letters are capital, or all letters are small, or just the first letter are capital. So if any condition applies, so return true, otherwise return false. Let's check the examples. Example one, USA, and all the letters are capital, so the answer is true. The second example, the first letter um, are capital, and the last one. So if this example was like that, um, this G is like this. This is true. If this F was small, this is true. And if the word was like this also, oh, sorry, yes, like that. This is also true. Otherwise, return false. So the constraints are very small, also just max 100 character. So no need to fancy data structures or major optimizations. So let's dive in implementation. I will make a function for each condition of these. So um, Boolean all capital. This takes string str and with reference. Okay, so I will make counter equal to 0. Then for each character C and str, if is capital, is yeah, it's called it's is upper in C++, is upper of C, then increase the counter. So return counter equal str dot size. What this mean if we have USA here? So USA has 3 capital letters, which is the same as the str size. So this is true. So this will return true only if all letters are capital. We will do the opposite with another function called all small. Just change the name here to all small, and this instead of is upper, then is lower. Okay. Otherwise, we will make something like a mix between these two functions. So the third condition here required to just the first letter to be capital and all other letters to be small. So we will check if size minus 1 letter are small and the first letter is capital or upper. So I will make a copy of this function. Let's think about a creative name for this function. So I will make it all uh, I will make it, for example, first letter capital, and uh, this counter will start counting from the second character. So I will change this a little bit. So for integer I equal to 0, then um, I equal to 1 to skip the first character, I less than or equal str dot size I plus plus. So if str of I is lower, so this will skip the first character. So if, for example, we have Google here, so this for loop will check just for this character, will skip the first character. Then I will return that counter equal the size minus 1 and check for the first character is capital, so return is upper for the first character str of 0. For this case, we just ensure that, yeah, the string can't be empty. So if we had uh, any test case that contains size or length equal to 0, this will cause a runtime error. There is no index 0. So, but the constraints here contain no empty strings. Okay, so here I will return the OR of the three functions. So either all capital, okay, of the word, or all small of the word, or first letter capital of word. Okay, let's test this against all the um, USA second flag. Let's make some test cases. So this should give true. Let's make another one. For example, USA or small, this should give true as well. And finally, let's make Egypt. This should give false. Run. And yeah, so all test cases are acceptable so far. Let's submit it. Here we go. Yes. So this was pretty easy. I will see you in next and more complicated and interesting problems. See you.